Everyone, PurrkourCat here, and today I'll be playing some more Cat-Astrophic. Last video I just started the game. Now look where I am right now. I don't know how to say that word. So yeah, I'm right here, and I've been grinding a lot. So today we're gonna try to get Cat Captain today. All right. So I've just been grinding a lot, doing stuff. Oh wait, the best player in the game's there. Wow, that's cool. Alright, so I could just grind like this. As you see, I almost have 10 billion. And I'll show you what happens every time I sell. I get 196 billion, but yeah. Today is 900 billion, which is a lot, but also I'll get claws. So I'll get this. Look, every click is I do 6 million, which is actually pretty good for. You know, I'm gonna get about, I'll say, 30 billion scratches, and I'll meet you guys right back. All right. Well, I'm back, and I have 20 billion. Anyways, we're gonna sell, and let's see how much we get. 400 billion, 450 billion. Okay. I could buy this claw, but I'm gonna get the Cat Captain. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm gonna get the Cat Captain. Okay, time to grind again. Okay. What? Okay. Why did everything stop? Okay, that's weird. Okay, so I need basically 3 billion more, so I mean 300 billion more. So alright, I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna stop the recording, cause yes, yeah, I know that makes sense, right guys? Yeah, as you may know, I just woke up, like always. Yes, more. Okay, you know, I'll see you guys right when I get that. So yes. Alright guys, so right now I have 15 billion, and I think this will do it. I probably need like 5 billion more. Let's see what I get. Alright, I just need a couple more, so let me just quit. And there we go, 900 billion. Let's go to classes, and let's get Cat Captain. Right now I have this one, so I'm gonna get this one. Yes, I got the badge. Gamer. Oh my gosh. Next one's Cat Major, and that's 100 trillion. Alright. Guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, you could just enjoy the video. Yeah. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. I won't be grinding right now. I am very, I don't know. Yes. Oh, also, by the way, link in the description. Join that Discord. What's it called? Group. Cause yes. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.